Before flying your Agras drone, ensure that the lithium battery is fully charged. The input of the charging hub is 110 to 220 VAC. You can directly use the charging hub to charge the Agras battery if you have access to a power socket. Currently, DJI offers 3 charging hub models: T20, T30, and T10. The charging power of the T20 charging hub is 2600 watts. This charging hub can simultaneously connect to 4 batteries and supports both fast and slow charging. It supports T20, T16, T10, and MG1P drone batteries. Note that only one battery type can be charged at a time. It takes 15 to 18 minutes for the T20 charging hub to fully charge T20 batteries. The charging power of the T10 charging hub is 3600 watts. This charging hub can simultaneously connect to 2 batteries and supports T20, T16, and T10 batteries. It takes 7 to 9 minutes for the T10 charging hub to fully charge T10 batteries. The T30 charging hub is a 7200 watt 2-channel charger that can simultaneously connect to 2 batteries. It supports only T30 batteries. It takes 9 to 12 minutes to fully charge a T30 battery.